Hi guys, I'm excited because today is Stitch Fix Unboxing Day, April edition. And guys, we're gonna get started right now. I wanted to let you know that this video is one part of a three-part series I have put together on a comparison of Stitch Fix and Trunk Club. So at the end of this video, make sure you click the link to take you to the next episode so you don't miss anything in the series. Hi guys, Cindy is supposedly chic, and if you know me at all, you know that it is a good day when I come home and this box is sitting on my doorstep. Guys, this is Stitch Fix. It's a clothing subscription program which I get on a monthly basis. Last month we did our first unboxing here on YouTube. This time we're going to do unboxing number 2. If you recall from last month's episode, there were a few pieces I kept and a few pieces I got rid of. I had asked my stylist for some specific things that we're going to talk about today. I asked for some color, and I asked for a different pair of jeans because my last jeans I didn't like the way that they fit. This is what we got today. We got 5 pieces. We have 3 tops, a skirt, and a necklace. So first apparent thing, there's no jeans. There is some color though, so we'll talk color in just a second. I'm going to actually get out the little sheet of paper so we can talk about everything that we got today. Every month, Stitch Fix sends me 5 pieces that I can select to either keep or return. And every time I send back something or keep something, I give a little bit of feedback that allows my stylist to sort of hone down on what my specific style is. I'm going to tell you there are some hits here and there are some misses, okay? So let's talk about the jewelry, because jewelry is one of my favorite things. Last month I got a really cute pair of earrings, and in my feedback I asked her to get me a necklace that would match it. They were little pave spheres, and while this isn't quite a match, it's close, and I like it because it's really versatile, and I think I can wear it again with almost every day. So the first piece we're going to look at is the Skies Are Blue Rhonda off the shoulder top in red. This definitely gives me the pop of color that I asked my stylist for. My only concern is that I'm a winter. So for me, reds need to be more red-blue. And if you've ever really looked at reds, they kind of fall into 2 categories. They're sort of red-blue or red-orange. This one feels a little bit more like red-orange. So I'm hoping I can pull it off because it is very pretty. It kind of reminds me of stuff I would wear like when we went to Hawaii and Maui. It's just got that kind of cool floral look. So fingers crossed that it looks well with my complexion. The second item, guys, is probably the one that's the most up in the air. It is an elastic midi skirt. It's called the Amelia Knit Skirt. And knit skirts, knit pants are kind of hit and miss with people like me who have curves. So we will see. This is either going to look like a train wreck or actually I'll be pleasantly surprised. But it is just a simple burgundy, it's got a little bit of an A-line to it and elastic waist. The next clothing item is the Napolita overlay ruffle top. You guys can see it's a pretty simple white top that's got a ruffle and short sleeves. Ideally, if I was one of those lollipop skinny girls, I could put this together with this skirt and probably make a little bit of a cute outfit, but I just don't know if it's going to work with my shape. But again, this top is good, but again, it's bad in a lot of ways. I would never be able to put a jacket over this or a sweater just because of the bulk of that ruffle. So we will see if this has enough to stand on its own that we'd be willing to keep. And the last item is a Catherine Malandrino, I can't pronounce her name, Lindia wrap top. And I like this. I feel like I could pair it with a long pair of black pants, maybe a black skirt. My only concern is April right now in California, and this is a pretty heavy material, and it's a pretty long sleeves, long waisted shirt. And I just don't know if I'll get enough use out of it as we're getting into the spring and summer months here in California, but I will try it and see. So those are the 5 pieces we're looking at this month. Give me 1 second. I'm actually going to throw a few of them on, see if I can make an outfit out of some of these pieces. And we'll come back and we'll take a look at them and we'll decide if we're going to thumbs up, keep them, or thumbs down to send them back. Alright guys, so here we are in top number 1. This is the Rhonda off the shoulder top. And I'm going to tell you, I like it better on than I did on the hanger. I think the color actually works. It is, of course, a traditional off the shoulder top, so it does have the same on the back as it does on the front. It is truly off the shoulder. You can see it. This one strap here continues to fall off of my shoulder. What that does for me, which again is a maybe, is I was thinking I could wear just a normal bra with straps with this guy, but I think if this continues to fall off like this, I'm going to be stuck wearing a strapless bra and ew. Anyways, I like the top. I believe this one is going to be a thumbs up. So give me 1 second. I'm going to put on top number 2 and we'll take a look at that one. Alright guys, this is a fix full of surprises because I was talking rather badly about this top, which is the Catherine Malandrino Lindia wrap top. Guys, I really like it on. A couple of things I hope you can see here. The points of the wraparound actually kind of go at an angle, which kind of creates a unique silhouette line. I kind of like that I can control how much cleavage I show based on how much I pull this wrap over. I actually like also that the tie sits right underneath the bust line, so because sometimes with belts like right here, it can kind of cut you sort of in half. The only thing that maybe would be a drawback is I tend to be one of those girls that pull my sleeves up after a while because I get warm. And they've got that sort of bell sleeve, so it's not working real well for me. Maybe I could figure out a way to do that. But I could see, I've got this paired with black pants right now, but I could see pairing it with like a nice black skirt and some heels. And it feels sort of like professional chic without being like heavy and shoulder pads and all that crazy stuff. So again, I am more pleased with this on me than I am when I saw it on the hanger. So I believe we are now at 2 thumbs up, people. One more second, I've got a third shirt to put on, and I'm gonna throw on the necklace so you guys can see what that looks like with all of the tops. So hang tight. All right, so here is blouse number 3. This is the Napolita ruffle overlay blouse in white. I have it paired with my Scylla shiny coin pendant that I got in this fix as well, so you sort of see the whole ensemble. Guys, I hate to be wrong, but this episode may turn out to be don't judge a fix by its cover, because I have actually liked everything that I put on much better than I liked when I saw it come out of the box and up on the hangers. This is, again, the only part with the ruffles is you would not be able to wear a jacket over this. It would sort of make the ruffles go kind of like that and get in your space. So it's definitely a warm weather type of top. Again, the ruffle is on the front and on the back. I have it paired right now with black leggings, but I can see it with a pair of jeans, some distressed jeans. I can see it with a skirt, even a maxi skirt. Guys, you may not see this, but I am going to try it on with the burgundy skirt and see how it looks. Not sure if it's going to make the cut, but it's a pretty versatile top. My only problem is that it's all white from top to bottom. And for me, when I wear white, food, pencil marks, pen marks, they just seem to gravitate to me. So we'll see if we keep this guy. But again, I am really pleasantly surprised with everything I've tried on this fix so far. And of course, this coin pendant necklace is something that I can wear dress up, dress down, and wear it all the time. So it's definitely a keeper for me. So I have one last thing I'm going to throw on that skirt. We will see how it looks with a couple different kinds of tops, guys, and then we will do a wrap up on this month's April fix. Alright guys, so I'm not certain if I'm thrilled with this or not. I'm going to actually put on the previous top that I started this whole fix with, the one that I own. But the skirt, I tend to sort of go like blousier tops, tighter skirts. This is sort of the opposite. It's a tighter top, blousier skirt. Not sure if I'm going to keep it, but it's definitely food for thought. Hold tight 2 seconds and you'll see it with a different type of blouse, and we'll make our final designation then. So just for comparison's sake, I actually paired it with this top that I started this fix video with. And you know, I'm going to be hard pressed to keep this skirt. I like to envision someday just wearing a cute little skirt like this and a white tank top and flip-flops, but that's not my body style. I need to own it, right? But again, it's really comfortable, so if this is your shape and your style, this is a phenomenal skirt. It's like I said, I can just kind of picture it with like a white tank top and flip-flops hanging out at the beach, and unfortunately for me, it's not going to be the case. But give me 1 second, I'm going to throw all my regular clothes back on, and we are going to wrap up this Stitch Fix and let you know what we're keeping and what we're sending back. Well, that was a very interesting fix. If there is a motto for this specific episode, it is, not everything is as it seems. I was very pleasantly surprised as to how all of these looked on me as opposed to how they looked when I first took them out of the box, and even how they looked when I put them on the hangers. One final determining factor for all of my fixes is what the cost of the item is, and if the cost is worth me keeping it. A couple of them that I know for sure I'm going to keep, it doesn't matter if they're a gajillion dollars, will be the necklace and the off-the-shoulder top. Okay, so now let's look at some of the other items. We are going to actually talk prices on all of them. The necklace is $34, worth every penny. The off-the-shoulder top, which is again is by Skies Are Blue, is $54. The white ruffle overlay blouse is $48. The Lindia wrap shirt is $68. And our poor sad little midi skirt over here is $48. So again, if you get all 5 items with Stitch Fix, they give you 25% off. The 25% off in this case is $63. That's actually more than this skirt. So do I keep this skirt and then think maybe I'll find something to match it eventually? Maybe I'll wrap it up and give it to a friend as a gift? I don't know yet. But guys, this is how Stitch Fix works. This is how it works in my world. And I hope you had fun. Because for me, learning about new styles, looking at different types of clothes, and having no commitment whether I keep them or not, quite honestly, it's one of the highlights of my month. So guys, if you have not already subscribed, I'm asking you to do so now. We do clothing unboxing, we do food unboxing, we do snack hauls, and there's a lot of stuff going on. Not to mention we're starting a whole craft playlist so you can learn to craft along with us. Guys, it's exciting stuff. Don't miss any of it. Hit subscribe now so you don't miss it. Also, please like and share this episode. Share with your friends. There's a link at the bottom for anybody who would like to try Stitch Fix. The link will allow you to try it at a discounted price. Please put comments in. Let me know what you guys thought about the outfits, how you like them on me, if you would like them for yourselves. If you guys have ever done a Stitch Fix and what you felt that your stylist said were they sort of tailored to you, were they way off the mark? Let's get a community talking so that people who don't know about Stitch Fix, who don't know about Supposedly Chic, can learn from us. So guys, until next time, this is Cindy at Supposedly Chic, and make it a good one. Now that you've finished watching the Stitch Fix video, here is the link to the Trunk Club video, and here is the link to our head-to-head video, and we will see you there.